Okey. Ready kemas untuk hantar apa nama ni? Hantar basikal dengan helmet. Basikal dengan helmet. So ada bawa stiker sekali. Mau tanya mereka macam mana letak asal pasang speaker tu lah, ataupun tengok orang macam mana. So ni first time. Sekarang pukul 3.38 transition bike check in dari pukul 4 sampai pukul 8 malam. Tapi saya tidak check in awal sangat lah. Takut cuaca panas, takut tayar nanti dia jadi keras sangat ke apa, takut meletup pancet ke apa. So pukul 5 dan 6.30 ada transition tour. So saya akan pergi pukul 5 dan 6.30 tengok transition tour tu. Biasakan diri transition tour macam mana. Lepas tu baru saya check in basikal dalam pukul 7 macam tu lah. 7 ke 7.30 check in basikal, and then baru balik. Okay, let's go. Okay, dekat Westin tadi tukar baju yang saya beli dekat Expo lah. Saya salah beli baju perempuan, baju red tu. So sudah tukar baju lelaki. So ada bawa bag. Tengok orang semua start bike check in. Tapi saya tidak bike check in dulu lah sebab cuaca masih panas. Kita tengok transition tour macam mana. Rasanya letak sebelah basikal ni je.
Lah kan, tapi
itu lah.
Tapi aku nak jawab tu tak berani lagi lah tu.
Itulah. Takut salah lah. Tak tahu lagi.
Nak salah kan. Dah. Serius lah.
Kumai.
Serius lah. Ini betul serius.
Betul.
Aku rasa nak ketawa je ni. Tapi nasi ada geng lah, tak jadi buat apa.
Saya ni je dulu. Belum check in. Dia banyak nak tanya ni. Beg hijau, beg ni transition beg ni ya. Tanya banyak.
How about the bag tomorrow morning?
I join the tour first. After this, I check in my bike.
Oh, you got the tour right?
Yeah.
Number, as long as you got this, you can go in.
Okay. Alright.
Laju.
So, tengok tour saja dulu. Enam. So saya 386.
Everyone on that run must go that way. Turn right and then go along that. Now the thing you need to do is make sure you have a bloody good
Oh, ini
ride
dia.
and enjoy
Tempat saya
the
punya
finish line. If you
bike
don't
nanti.
smile, we'll get you out to another
Bike.
10k.
Di sini.
You're laughing.
Okay.
You watch me.
My number
You'll be watching you.
386.
Alright guys, my name's Pete Murray. Is there any questions? They're 50 ringgit each per question.
Let me change my gear. Did you change your gear?
Alright, so the question was which gate in or out? The same gate is for out and in, because everyone's going to be out before someone comes back in. Okay, so the carpet that you run out on will be the same carpet you run back in on. Good question, no? Very good question, thank you. Yes. The cut-off time will be at the timing mat when you come out of the water. Out of the water for the spin. Don't worry about cut-off time, just be positive. Just be positive. Okay, we're gonna smash it. Alright, any other questions, Steve? Yes?
Ni transition tour 1. Kita dengar briefing. Tapi macam awal sangat dia start briefing. Sepatu pukul 5.
CA official. I mean, this morning the run shoes were there. We might just clarify that. Melanie 10, our race referee, if you are nearby, could you just please come on up? The question was, by the way, guys, is can you leave your run shoes next to your bike? Usually it's not an issue, as long as you're confined to your space, okay? You can see here, 12, 11, 12, 12, very, very close together, okay? My advice would be for that little bit of extra time, put it all in your bag. You don't know if these guys are going to accidentally kick it, move it, stuff like that. Just reminder also, that's a good point, if you do take stuff off or you're not using, put it in your bag please. Do not leave it out there. Okay, putting just like the housekeeping, keep it nice and tidy. Yes sir? Good, I mean, yeah. I mean, do you stand to the left or the right? I mean, if there's no one there, it's not a big issue, but it's one of those things, if we two people get together, if he's standing here, you're obviously going to go there, vice versa. I know it's a very 50-50 question. No, I don't punch, so I don't want to take the chance. Any other questions? Yes, sir? Yeah, if the shuttle buses are running behind schedule, don't worry, we'll accommodate the transition time. So if you do get here late, you'll be okay, definitely okay. But, I mean, how far from your hotel to here? Okay, so you're only wear your number plate. You don't have to wear it on the bike, you can if you want to, but you must have it on the run on the front. Some people have race belts, they put it on the bike, they put it to the back, when they get off the bike they just turn the belt around, it's on the front. But you must have it on the run. Okay? Alright. Bye-bye. Yeah, good stuff. Alright guys, how are we feeling? We pumped? Uh-oh. Yes. Don't sound good. That person said yes, you get 5 minutes off your time. Good again. Are you pumped? Yeah. No one else gets 5 minutes. So it's 10. Yes? Yes. Some glasses, like for vision. As you go into the swim, there'll be a table. And when you get out of the swim, that table will be moved with the glasses to there. So as you go in, drop the glasses if you need to, pick them up on the way out.
Right.
If you don't pick them up on the way out, it might be a bit tricky getting the transition. Okay, how are we feeling now? Seriously, are we pumped? Are we ready?
Yeah!
Bloody hell, have a good night. See you soon. Bye-bye. Alright, just to confirm, Dan from our technical officials, you can have your shoes next to your bike. You can have your shoes next to your bike for the run. Have a good night's sleep tonight, guys, because you know I've got the 70.3 Desaru coast tomorrow morning. Take care.
Ke sini to bike out. Bang boleh tanya, so, tak sempat briefing tadi, dia macam mana kalau tahu tak kalau nak explain
sistem basikal?
Contoh kalau bike saya sini 38 dia patut pukul 5 briefing tadi kan. Dah start awal, tak sempat dengar apa-apa. Ni tak basikal ini.
Kita basikal sini.
Ini transition bag. Transition bag tu yang warna hijau tu ke? Oh, yang hijau tu satu ya boleh ah. Okey, yang dalam hijau tu kita letak bike shoes dengan bike kasut lagi ya. Dua-dua. Okey.
Kalau helmet tak boleh letak sini ah. Helmet esok bawa.
Helmet esok bawa. Oh, betul ya. Tanya kat info dia cakap lain. Bike, helmet dengan pump dia orang cakap.
Oh, dia kata
cakap satu rasanya satu ramai yang bawa
helmet dia
bawa. So bike saja tu lah. Okey, so maybe pukul 7-8 nanti lah tak. So contoh dia kita lapis swimming,
swimming.
dari sana kan. Sini akan
Masuk sini.
masuk sini kan. Masuk sini. Saya pergi sini. Sini bike out. Bike out sini. Okay, let's see. Oh.
Sorry. Last question from my side. The parking, there's a big parking,
Yes.
Could we come in from there?
Yes, but you don't come in from here
We cannot come in
because
from
this is not check-in. This will be closed at 5:30.
Okay.
You need to come in from the front where you came in today.
So check out nanti untuk di sini. Bike out masih tolak
Tolak 400
sampai
meter, 400 meters down the slope.
all the red carpet is tolak lah.
Yeah.
Tolak
Tolak, you
sampai
hit the
bawah.
roundabout sana.
Okay, nanti ada
Pindah sana kan? You will turn right at the roundabout. Then there's a mount sana.
Okay, roundabout and then lurus
Right. Yes, that way.
that way.
Yeah.
Lurus
Then you
that
go
way.
and do your right.
Okay.
You come back the same way.
Same,
You come back the same way. And then you push all the way back up.
all the way here. The same way. The same way.
You put your bicycle.
Okay, and
You
then
gotta run. You don't run here. You gotta run to
run.
the toilet.
go to
And
toilet.
turn right and come behind the this is the run out.
Oh, this is the run out.
Yes.
Run out and then the same
way.
carpet.
Yeah, but when you
Same
hit the
carpet.
roundabout, you go left.
Go
You
left
come here.
and then where is the U-turn?
There should be a sign further down lah.
Sign for the
Yeah,
U-turn
I'm
over
not
there.
sure, yeah.
Then okay.
You turn and then you come back and then you turn left into that side and do your
Oh, turn left here.
the mountain line?
down there.
Over there. Actually from here to there,
400 meters.
either clean or fly.
Yeah. Yeah, because the road is quite. So when you all run, also be careful lah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this one carpet and then
Carpet all the way.
until down.
So the moment you pass the carpet is where you mount, and you make sure you dismount before you touch the carpet. As long as the carpet never on the bike.
Okay.
There's always a simple.
Thinking feet first or actually
A
push
lot of
the
people
bike
rather take off their shoes and walk barefoot because they all.
Sudah faham?
Take with you today. Do not leave it here tonight. Tomorrow morning, the technical officials will check you as you come on in with your helmet on and gun up. Okay? And they don't leave it here tonight. So, tomorrow morning, let's start our race today. When you get back to your accommodation, I've done a lot of these races in the past. Make sure you plan your race. My tip. You take it if you want it, if you don't, it doesn't matter. Visualise your race in your accommodation this afternoon. Swim. What do I need for that swim? I need my cap, I need my goggles, I might need a swimsuit. What do I need? Put it out in front of you. Tick the boxes. Have I got everything I need? My bike. What do I need? Helmet, yes. Cycle shoes, water, hydration, nutrition. Am I changing to a kit? Whatever you need, put it out in front. Same for your run. Running shoes, hat, sunscreen, glasses. Am I changing into a run kit? Whatever you need, please organise it tonight. Don't wait till 5 a.m. tomorrow morning because it won't work. Nothing works at the last minute. So your day starts, your race day tomorrow starts today. Hydration tonight. Try to stay away from the pumps. No alcohol. If you want to have alcohol, it's okay. But hydration is so important. Keep your body hydrated. Starts today. Tomorrow morning, this transition area will open at 5:30 a.m. It doesn't mean you have to be here right at 5 a.m. It will open at 5 a.m. It will close at 6:30 or very close to 6:30. Okay? You must think about how long you need in here. Taking into account it's going to take time to jump from accommodation to get here. Don't get here at 20 past 6 thinking, oh, it's going to be okay, I'll let you get safe. They won't. You will come into the transition area tomorrow morning with your helmet on, where you came in this afternoon. That is where you will come in. The technical officials will check your helmet, make sure it's started up, make sure it's all secure and meets standards. You will notice these racks are numbered. At the end of each rack, at the top, the middle, and this end is a number. Rack 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, all the way down to 1. This afternoon, before you leave, check your row number. This is row 8, for example, from the start right through to the very end is row 8. The transition is kind of split into two. There's that half, which is closer to the sea, and there's this end. Remember where you are. Believe me, there will be people coming in tomorrow with this transition filled with 1100 ice, and they won't be able to find their bike. Why? Because they don't know their row number. One simple thing can save so much stress. So please remember your number and which end of the transition you are. Because when you're racing, or you're in a race, the heart rate's going 108 beats a minute, the adrenaline's flowing through, and you don't think right. Okay? So plan where or know where your bike is. If I was here, for example, I know I'm in row 8, but I know I'm right next to this white 10. Use another visual. It might be, okay, it might be a light pole. Use those little things, because believe me, it's stress free. You'll notice that the bikes, when you're coming in the morning, you have access to a bike for about 1 hour if you need it. You'll come on in, throw on your hydration, nutrition, whatever you need, computers. I suggest this afternoon take a little bit of pressure out in the tyres, causes the heat. You may need to pump the tyres up tomorrow morning. Get yourself organised. These little hooks, located in every single rack, is for your race bag or your gear bag. That gear bag is green. G for gear, G for green. Everything that you need for the race goes in that bag. A couple of little tips if you're allowed to do this. Your helmet, I wouldn't worry too much about putting that in your bag. Put it on your handlebars. Okay? Your cycle shoes, you may put them on the pedals. You may not want to do that. Put them next to your bike. Now, these are two numbers side by side. You can see there's not a lot of room. So be considerate of don't spread out all your equipment. If I used to race my cycle shoes there. If I wasn't, I'd have my cycle shoes here and my run shoes in further. Because that's what I'm using first. Okay? Little tips. Once you're totally ready and you're happy with your bike, you've got everything you need to race, your gear bag hanging, you take your street gear bag with you. So if I came in transition shirt and shorts on, and I'm not using that in the race, that goes into your street gear bag. Okay? That street gear bag leaves with you out of transition. It does not stay at your bike. As you make your way to the swim, there is a street gear bag drop and pumps as well. So if I was 12-11, my street gear bag's got number 12-11, everything I'm not using is in that bag, I drop it off. When I finish the race, I go back, number 12-11, you get your gear bag back. Valuables, it's all safe, it's all secure. Personally, I'm not a big fan of seeing too many valuables in the gear bag. It's up to you what you put in. We can guarantee you it will be 100% safe. Okay, so that's up to you. So 5:30, 6:30, transitions open. We're set up, ready to go. I'm on my way to the super start. Bag drop, street gear bag, drop off. You'll then go to the swim start. Now you've already nominated your estimated swim time. And your estimated swim time will put you into zone 1, 2 or 3. Why we do this, we call it a roll and start. In the good old pace, we just used to all go into the water at the same time. You used to push, spike, punch, kick, do whatever you can. And it makes the swim very uncomfortable. So the estimated time you'll put down will make you in a zone with people of a swimming ability similar to yours. Their estimated time is similar to yours, so you won't necessarily be trying to fight for your life. Hopefully you put down your estimated time program. We see some people that are an hour swimmer saying, oh, I want to get up the front, I put down 29 minutes swim. Struggle. Don't go on your ego. Go on your ability. Okay? I can promise you if you've done that, that 1 hour swimmer in zone 1 is going to have the worst swim of their life. Because they are constantly going to be trying to top off and push and shove. Now when you get down to the beach, you'll see that there's 4 chutes. Very similar with 1 chute, 2 chute, 3, 4. Each chute leads you to the start line. Okay? And if I was in chute 1, someone's going to chute 2, 3, 4, we form a line. Every 5 seconds, you'll hear a whistle. That's the indication for those front 4 to go into the swim start. The next 4 move up, bang, whistle, go. 5 seconds, whistle, go. Now the other thing people go, oh God, when that first group go, my time starts. It doesn't. Your time will not start till you're in the front row. The whistle goes, you run 3 or 4 metres underneath the big red Ironman arch. When you go underneath that, your timing chip will be activated. So you don't have to worry which people get forward. Your time will definitely not start until you go underneath that arch. Okay? That's the first thing. Now why do we do a rolling start? I talked about the safety, but it's been proven that swim times are better. And they're better for a couple of reasons. 1, you're not pushing and stopping and fighting. 2, you're swimming a more direct course. when you have a match start, you're swimming 20 metres wide, you're going around each buoy 20 metres wide, you're swimming an extra 100 metres or so. So it's safer and it's been proven to be a better time. Now when you come out of the swim, you'll make your way up the beach. You'll see red carpet, you've probably already walked it. You'll go down past the side of the finish line, you'll come up and you'll come in at that entry, in the transition. Remember your number, you'll go along the road, you find your row number, come up to your bike. When you're at your bike, you are ready to get yourself organised for the start of the bike. If you're changing the top, you can do that at your bike. Some people may choose to change completely. No nudity at all in the transition area. If you look over here, you'll see a male change room, and down a bit further, a female changing room. If you choose to, and you want to get fully changed, you must go to those tents. Okay? And males go to the male tent. If people are, don't worry, females go in or vice versa. Male change, female change. Again, if you're not doing the major full change, stay at the bike. So I get to my bike, I take off the clothes, whatever I need to take off my swim gear, I'm ready to go, I've got my bike, shoes on, everything's ready. The final thing, or everything you must do before you take the bike off the rack, is put your helmet on and have it done up. Okay? Helmet on and done up. Regardless of which row you are, regardless of your that end or this end, we all head this way. The flow, swim in, bike out. You'll see the sign. So if I'm in this row, I will run to the end, turn left, go out. Same regardless of which row you're in, you're all heading that way. You're going to go find the red carpet, that will take you to the road. You're not allowed to ride, you can run, walk, whatever you want with your bike, but you're not allowed to ride till you get to the road. When you get to the road, there's a white line, a white strip across the road. We call that the mountain line. That means you must cross that line before you get on your bike. Once you cross that line, stop, jump on, away you go. Little tip, if this is the line just here, don't go right across the line and stop straight away. Possibly people coming behind you, bang, crash. I would not see, just take another 3 or 4 metres up the road, cost you 2 seconds, but you're going to get on that bike easier. Okay? It gives people vision to see where you are. You're on the bike, away you go for 90km ride. I'm not going to talk about the course, you guys should know it. When you finish the 90 bike, that white line we used to call a mountain line, we're on the other side now, it's called a dismount line. So you must get off your bike before that line. Don't go 40 kilometres an hour, and if you are slam the brakes on a stiff, slow down a bit. People laugh, we saw it this morning, we burned a lot of rubber out there. Okay? Slow down before that white line, fully stop, jump off your bike, and you're going to do the same thing. Walk or slow jog. Now when we went out that way, we'll also come back in that way. So we're all now flowing this way. Again, if I'm in this rack, I will turn left, come to row 8, down I come, put my bike on the rack. As soon as your bike's on the rack, helmet can come off. Do not undo your helmet, do not take your helmet off until you get it down. You will be penalised if you are caught doing breaking that rule. Okay? When I get back to my bike, my gear bag is still hanging down. My running shoes can be on the ground if you want to do that, that's fine. But I'm now changing the bike to run. Again, if you're changing fully, you must use the pants. If you're not changing or just changing your shirt, fine. You're getting yourself organised now. When you are ready to run, you must put your number plate on the front. Now some people have got an elastic belt or a race belt on the bike, they turn it around and put it back, that's fine. You don't need to have it on tight. If you want it, it's fine. Then when they get it to run, they just turn it around to the front. So you must, on the run, have that plate on, compulsory. No other way. So, I'm ready to run, put the plate on, we're all...
Okay, tadi transition sudah settle. Tanya macam-macam, dah tahu, sudah clear. And then helmet sudah pasang stiker depan. Basikal sudah pasang stiker nombor. So basikal tidak perlu bawa bib. Masa running saja bawa bib nanti. So bib apa semua untuk running sudah ada dalam bag ni. So next saya bawa basikal pergi ke transition area, hantar basikal. Okay, tapi yang tak berapa best dia tadi, dah tengok dari tempat swimming, dari kita habis swimming ke transition area 400 meter macam tu, kita kena berlari. Lepas tu kat transition area kita keluarkan basikal, tolak basikal sampai ke jalan 400 meter juga. Dia macam swim 400 meter run, bike transition 400 meter run. Tak tahu. Okay, tu tempat transition. Oh, masih ada sikit cahaya matahari, tapi okey lah, sudah mendung. Jom kita check in bike. Ya, okay, check in bike. Okay.
Push to and fro and brake for me. Test brakes.
Oh, test brake.
Yeah,
Good.
and then brake.
Oh, boss.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Please.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay.
Your number?
386.
386. Row number 2.
Okay, thanks.
Tak ada yang tahu. Tu dia yang akhiran tu.
You do warm up.
Okay. Okay, banyak sudah basikal. Tengok sana.
Alright, just a reminder also tomorrow morning, timing chip comes in with you.
Ya.
Right arm, number,
Saya letak
platoon, right calf,
bike dulu.
category, letter.
Okay. Settle check in bike. Selamat tinggal basikal. Esok jumpa lagi. So ready balik, tapau makanan, kemudian kemas-kemas gear untuk esok, and then tidur. Tak tattoo semua. Let's do this.